Hello, welcome to the Mentor YouTube channel. We're here today to show you how to download and install the OntoUML plugin for Enterprise Architect. Okay, so first we're gonna have to go to the Mentor website, and from there we go to click on the EA plugin. This is our GitHub repository where we can download the necessary files. So this is the step-by-step instructions to install the plugin. We're gonna take you all the way to the usage. Okay, so first click on this page over here. We're gonna see the latest plugin release, and then let's download the zip file. This zip file contains 3 other files. Okay, so let's open them here and let's extract them to the desktop. Okay. So after that, you're gonna have to go to the EA root folder where you installed it. Okay, so let's click here, and then it's Spark Systems. Okay, so this is the EA root installation folder. Okay. So we're gonna have to move this file over here OntoUML technology.xml. We're gonna move it to the MDG technologies, and after that we should move the model template to the model patterns file folder. Okay, so we move it here, and okay, so now we open Enterprise Architect. Okay, so let's start a new project. Click local project, new project, and let's type it, the project name, example, and save. Okay, so let's create a new package, example, and create a package on. Okay, so to create a new OntoUML diagram, you should just click create a new diagram, and it will show you the option here, OntoUML 2.0, and then you select the class diagram. If you can't find the OntoUML option here, it's because the MDG was not, the extension was not preloaded automatically. So click here, let's do it again, extensions, and then MDG technologies. And this is all the available technologies you have installed on your computer, and you can see here OntoUML 2.0, it's checked. Okay, so here we created the model, and then on the left side we can see the toolbar. You're gonna see all these different sections. Okay, so the class section provides you all the common stereotypes. So here you can see the kinds, mixins. You can create all these different classes. So kind, just click on the kind and create a new kind here. Okay, so let's create a kind person, and then we want to say that a person can either be a man or a woman. Okay, so man, or let's create another one. You can put here woman. To create a generalization between them, to say that a man is a type of a person, you click on this relationships tab, and then from man to person. Same thing will go from woman to person. Okay, so if we want to create a role, let's say student of person, we can do the same thing, and then here, and now let's say that this a person is a student if he or she is enrolled at a school. So there's an enrollment that holds between a person and a school. And to connect these two classes, we use the mediation relation between enrollment and student, and between enrollment and school. And we click here to say that a school must always have at least one student, and then an enrollment, it's only valid for a single school, and an enrollment, it's an exclusive for a single student. And then a student must always have at least one enrollment. Okay, so this is the basic steps to create an OntoUML model. Right? If you want the different stereotypes, if you want to model events, you can use and create the event class here and use these different types of relations to connect them to the rest of your model. Okay, so to export your model, so because we want a model here, we want to draw the model here, but we want to use all the functionalities of the Menthor editor. So to connect between them, to move your model from here to the Menthor editor, we must click here on the package when export and select import export package to XML file, and make sure you click here on the XMI 2.1. okay, and we have to select the name of the file, let's say example.xml XML, and then click export. Now we want to save our diagrams before we export, and then let's do it again. Let's select example, then click export. Okay, so now you successfully created a model and exported it to XML. In our next video, we'll show you how to import this model in Menthor and then how to use the backend functionality.